Now I gotta ride or die.
So guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the day where I get to show you guys what I've been sort of dreaming up in my head. Over the past couple of months, even years, I've been trying to sort of make a list of cars that I've always wanted to own. And that means that I do, in fact, buy cars and then have my fun with them and then sell them. So this is more of a progression over years of what we've actually been able to achieve on this channel. So I want to point out straight away that that's exactly what's going on here. This is really to show how far we have come as a community on this channel and what we've been able to achieve over the past few years. Before this video starts, I want to ask for 3 things from you guys at the start of this video. Firstly, please like this video because it does a lot for the channel and for these sorts of videos. Please subscribe, because at the end of the day you get to see more content of what's about to happen with the car I'm just about to show you. And make sure you go and follow Haven't Car Company, because the only reason this car exists is because of these guys, and they've actually opened up today to let me collect my new car. So social distancing measures are in place, and this is a click and collect appointment that I've actually set up with the guys. I've already looked at the car, been very happy. I actually got it trailered from the owner with Haven't Car Company, so they've been able to source this car for me, actually arrange payment when I wasn't with it, and just help out generally over buying this car, because it is one of those cars that it means the world to me to share this car with you guys and share the experience and share the picking up of it as well. So what I'm going to do is firstly cross off a couple of cars that you guys may have seen with the Haven't Car Company guys. Firstly is these 2 vans. I haven't unfortunately bought a van. There was a few people as well that were asking if I bought one of these BMWs. I haven't bought one of those BMWs. We have a fair few cars. If you remember, this was actually on the channel well, a few years ago. We actually shot that, so that's up for sale. Fantastic thing that is. Got a Scirocco that I know very well from the island. We have a fair few cars over here. Again, some people were actually asking if I'd sold my RS3 and bought this one. No, my RS3 is 100% here, and it's here to stay for a very long time. Some beautiful GTIs and stuff down there. Focus RS, another one that people thought that I was going to be jumping into, but no, I've gone for more of a classic car. I wanted to, again, check this car off the list. I'm sorry, I'm trying my hardest to be presenting this in a certain way, but my feelings and emotions are really high today, because this is genuinely one of the hardest videos I'm gonna have to make probably this year, because it means that much to me, and I hope you guys understand that. This really is the progression of what we're doing here, and I just want to say that out loud, that if you have an idea, make that idea a reality, write it down, work hard every day to get that. And I understand there might be some people out there that will not understand why I'd buy something like this and, you know, not really get it, but this for me is the pinnacle of what I wanted to do. When we initially did, you know, the Rice Fiesta, it was a car that, yes, I did like, but it wasn't the Ford that I wanted. So I made the decision to write down what Ford I wanted. I made a little list of them, prices, and, you know, just availability more than anything. And this is really, I genuinely can't believe that we're doing this. I'm just like in disbelief. I've looked around the car this morning, I'm in disbelief that, you know, I'm about to sign the paperwork and that. So what we'll do is we'll walk over. Sorry if the camera's a little bit hazy and stuff. There is dust in the lens. But yeah, this is a seriously big thing for me. You have no idea. I'm trying not to get all emotional and stuff about it, but you have no idea what it means to me to get this thing. So, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce my new Escort Series 1 RS Turbo. yeah, here it is, my Series 1 RS Turbo. Now, I will point out that very quickly, this is what I wanted. When we started, you know, the whole Ford side of stuff, and we started doing the RS Fiesta, there was an inkling in my head that I just wanted an RS Turbo. I wanted either a Fiesta RS Turbo or an Escort RS Turbo, and I always looked at them. Never thought I'd be in the position to actually be able to grab one of these. So yeah, for me, this is a huge day. And I said from the start that if I was going to do a Ford or get a Ford, it would be the one that I've always wanted. And here we are today, picking up a Series 1 RS Turbo. Now, eagle-eyed viewers will actually remember this car from the channel. It was exactly 2 years ago to the day, so the 25th of May, that I actually drove this car for the channel. So if you guys didn't already know, this has already been shot for the channel, and it was that day that I said to the owner, mate, if it ever comes to it, let me know if it's for sale and I'll see what I can do. Not that I ever thought that I would be able to be, financially especially, be able to get something like this. It's literally beyond me that I've been able to work my arse off over the past sort of year, you know, with the truck, but saving at the same time, and actually be able to go through with this purchase. And thankfully the owner was very transparent. He was fantastic with the sale. It was picked up by, again, Have a Car Company, and we've checked it over. And although, yes, there is many things that I'm going to change, this isn't its final form, this is the form I'll be buying it in. This is a really special day for me, so I really hope you guys appreciate the severity of what we're actually dealing with here. This is a dream car of mine and a dream situation to be in. So I'd just like to thank you all for watching the videos, but we will 100% go through this car. We'll do initial drive. I'll do loads and loads of content on it because there's so much I want to do with it, and just enjoy it with you guys, make some cool footage and just enjoy it for what it is. Now, I will go through, show you guys around the car again if you didn't watch the video 2 years ago. This is a 1985 Series 1 RS Turbo. It has the 7 spokes on it at the moment with the diamond cut finish, high spec front brakes as well. A little nose inside. Again, I will do a full video of all of this. It will be coming. Clifford alarm, huge booklet of MOTs and tax discs and all that sort of stuff, all the work that's been carried out over the years. So yeah, very original inside. Recaro seats. We have got a big thing in the back there full of parts and stuff that I've been able to buy from the owner as well. So that's really good. And yeah, it's incredibly straight for the year. But this was the dream. This was the dream. This was the goal. This was the idea. If I was going to do a sort of more classic Ford, it was going to be something like this. And I try to let people like sort of understand that if you've got a vision, especially, and a dream, and the idea that you want to go and achieve something, it doesn't happen overnight. At the end of the day, this is probably at least 2 years in the making. You know, it's a year, especially, definitely a year, into actually understanding how I'm going to get to this point. So this isn't overnight. This isn't something I've just thought, oh, I'm going to buy that. This is genuinely something that has been a disbelief in my head because I just didn't think I'd be able to do it. I genuinely think I didn't be able to do it. And now we're sat here and I'm looking in the camera lens and like it's just sat behind me and I have the keys. The keys are, you know, ready to go. We're going to go sign some paperwork in a minute and then it is officially mine. So yeah, I'm not going to cry on camera and all that, but you've got to realise how much this actually means to me. Working my arse off to, you know, get through the videos and get through the hate and people not understanding how all of this works. This is the prize at the end of the tunnel. This was the idea from the start, was trying to get something like this, and I really hope that people understand that. They don't go completely against me and not understand why I do certain things, why I kept the truck for a year, why the RS Fiesta didn't follow through. It's because there was a bigger plan all along, was to get something like this that is, you know, a proper classic with good intentions, genuine mileage, all that sort of stuff. This was the whole idea from the start, and I really hope you guys appreciate that, because at the end of the day, this is what it's all about. This is why this channel exists, is FYD, follow your dreams. I had the dream and the ambition to try and do something like this, and I hope you guys do too. And all I'm doing in this video is basically telling you guys not to listen to the hate. Do not listen to what people say about how you do things or your crazy fantasies in life, because at the end of the day, if you work your absolute nuts off, there is a goal at the end of the tunnel. There is light. There is a possibility that you're actually going to be able, if you work your arse off, to actually achieve something like this. At the end of the day, I'm going to say this right now, if I'd have listened to everybody with the Rice Fiesta horrible comments, this wouldn't be a reality. I wouldn't be driving this home today. So, although I couldn't explain it at the time, this was the goal. This was the idea. This was the achievable dream of mine, to actually own something like this. I genuinely didn't think it would be a Series 1. I genuinely didn't think so, but today we're here and I'm driving it home in a minute. Absolute insanity. So guys, what I'm gonna actually do is end the video there. I will say again, please go and follow Haven't Car Company, because they did so much. At the end of the day, this car wouldn't even be in my possession without these guys. They helped me so much, sourcing it, going to collect it, looking it over, and just making sure I was buying the right car for me. It was, again, a complete dream to actually be owning one of these, and it hasn't hit home yet, and it won't on camera, but the drive home, hopefully it will, because I still don't believe that this is happening. I don't believe that that car behind me is actually mine, and I'm taking it home and putting it on my driveway. So yeah, really, really big video. I hope you guys appreciate this introduction into my Series 1 RS Turbo. I think I wanted to do a bigger, more elaborate, exciting video, but at the end of the day, I just want to be truthful and very transparent again with you guys, because that's what I'm trying to do more than anything on this channel, is be more transparent and understanding with you guys, just to make sure you guys are on board and be happy for how people perceive their futures and what they want to do. So yeah, mad video. It's really hard for me to explain how much this means to me. So I really hope you guys sort of get it. I'm going to say it again, Haven't Car Company came through and absolutely smashed this. I get to drive it home now. We'll be doing a separate video on the initial driving and stuff of this car, so that'll be coming next. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe again for all the Series 1 RS Turbo content coming, the 106 GTI content that is coming, and the RS3 content that is coming. And yeah, if you've got a dream, guys, go and smash it. Don't listen to other people. And you never know, one day, if you work your arse off, it might actually happen for you. Really, really big video. Hopefully you take a positive spin on all of this that is happening at the moment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.